Hello everyone and welcome to Roadmap. So today's topic is soil part 3, and if you liked the video, don't forget to click on this thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe, and you can also give your comments in the suggestion box. Topics to be covered in this lesson are introduction, as we know that how soil is important to us and also for the survival of animals, as it provides shelter to animals, and also it provides growth for the plants, it provides the necessary nutrients, and there are different uses of soil. We also saw the different types of soil and then the different properties of soil: clay soil, loamy soil, and the sandy soil. And we also saw the different composition of soil, that it depends upon the mineral particles, the organic salts, inorganic salts, moisture, air, the different properties of soil such as color and texture, and the what major more water holding capacity which soil has, and it is useful for the it provides habitat for the growth of microorganisms. So the soil as a natural resource, and we saw the different characteristics of soil. So this is all what we learned in our previous videos. If you want to know more details about it, you can also go and again come back to this video. And we also learned about the soil profile, that there are different horizons, the layers which are horizon A, horizon B, and horizon C, and the different features of the horizon A, horizon B, and horizon C. So the next topic is absorption and percolation of soil, effect of summer and winter on soil, soil erosion, and soil pollution. Absorption and percolation of water in soil. Percolation is nothing but the gradual movement of water through spaces or pores in soil. The greater is the percolation soil, the more it will be absorbing water. Amount of water and the type of soil can absorb is called the water absorption capacity. Higher the absorption of water by soil, higher will be the availability to the plants. So there is a suitability of soil for crops. Suitability of soil for crops depends upon its texture and type. Climatic factors like rainfall, temperature, light, and humidity determine the type of crops that might grow in particular region. Sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil are the three types of soil. Now let's learn about the sandy soil. This contains more than 60% sand along with some clay. The water holding capacity of sandy soil is very poor. There is a lot of air present in this type of soil. This type of soil is not suited for the growth of plants, as it does not retain water or humus in it, and it is poor in nutrients. Gram, barley, jowar, and maize are grown in sandy soils as rain-fed crops. Clay soil. It consists mostly clay particles, sand particle being far less in proportion. Clay soil is very sticky, and so tilling is difficult. It is usually used for making pots and toys. The soil has very good water holding capacity. It is badly aerated and easily waterlogged. Clay soil is rich in minerals which make good for the growth of plants. This type of soil is good for paddy, which requires a lot of water. Now coming to the loamy soil, it consists of a good mixture of sand, clay, and humus. It has got good water holding capacity, and so it is good for the growth of plants. It has also got sufficient aeration. Loamy soil is best for growing plants. As I said, crops like wheat, barley, mustard, pulses, cotton, fruits, and vegetables can be profitably grown in the loamy soil. Effect of winter and summer in soil. The variation of temperature in winter and summer seasons affect the soil and soil temperatures. Temperature of soil in turn determines the type of crops which can be grown. Population of soil or microorganisms depends upon soil temperature. Crops which are grown in winter cannot be grown in summer, and the crops which are grown in summer cannot be grown in winter. Wheat, barley, gram, mustard are usually cultivated in winter, whereas maize, paddy, cotton, and groundnut are summer crops. You get off-season vegetables in the market throughout the year. Have you ever wondered how do you get this supply of vegetables? This is possible just because of the vegetables can be grown in different parts of country where suitable conditions are met. These suitable conditions are created in greenhouses. So this is about the effect of winter and summer in soil. Now let's learn about soil erosion. The topsoil is soft and light. It can be carried away easily by wind or washed away by flowing water. This process of carrying away of topsoil by natural forces like water and wind is called as soil erosion. So don't forget what is soil erosion. The carrying away of topsoil by natural forces like water and wind is called as soil erosion. Now coming to the causes of soil erosion. We know that there is large-scale cutting of trees that takes place. So this is nothing but a deforestation. There is overgrazing by animals in forest. The improper farming practices which are done, such as shifting cultivation, which is called as slash and burn agricultural. Heavy rains or floods, forest fires due to different reasons. These are all the causes of soil erosions. Now, prevention of soil erosion. As we know that the causes of soil erosion is large-scale cutting of trees, we must take a measure for it. So a measure is to grow more and more trees on a large scale, and this is nothing but afforestation. So you know that the cutting of trees on large scale is deforestation, while growing of more trees on large scale is afforestation. Now flood control. There are different measures to control flood. So flood control is also one of the measures which should be taken for soil erosion. Allow restricted animal grazing. Animal grazing is done in plenty of the areas, so it should be restricted. Follow terrace farming instead of other farming practices which are done, such as traditional farming and shifting cultivation. Construct bunds. So these are all the prevention of soil erosion. It is easy to remember the prevention of soil erosion as you know the causes of the soil erosion. Now coming to the soil pollution. The contamination of soil with excess use of fertilizers, insecticides, herbicides, weedicides, and dumping of industrial waste, sewage, and garbage is called as soil pollution. Any substance which lowers the fertility of soil is called as soil pollutant. And they also kill the living organisms which are present in soil. So this is nothing but soil pollution. Now you must be knowing what soil pollution is all about. That nothing but the contamination of soil takes place due to the various other fertilizers, insecticides and herbicides. Now there are different causes of soil pollution. The excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides causes the soil pollution. Dumping of garbage and sewage in the soil also causes soil pollution. The chemical waste from industries, mines and factories is also another cause of soil pollution. Non-biodegradable waste materials like polyethylene bags, plastics and metals is also another cause for soil pollution. So there are different innumerous causes of soil pollution. Now there must be a preventing step which should be taken for the prevention of soil pollution. Now as we learn the causes of soil pollution, let's learn about the prevention of soil pollution. We know that the waste comes from the industries, so it should be disposed neatly. We should recycle our waste. We must segregate our domestic waste, and also we can turn it into our organic manure or vermicompost. So the waste should be recycled properly. There should be minimum use of plastic bags and polythene bags as they are very harmful to our environment, and also they cause the soil pollution and they cause different diseases. use of organic manure. So organic manure is useful as it is a best fertilizer for the agriculture, and also the vermicompost, which can be used as a manure. And the treatment of industrial effluents before discharge, as we know that there are primary sewage treatment and secondary sewage treatment plants. This can be used for the prevention of soil pollution. So thank you for watching.